Hey, Bongegile here, bringing you the latest updates. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so that you do not miss anything I upload. South African musician Nhlanhla Nciza last year announced a split from her husband TK Nciza. Nhlanhla and TK Nciza were married for 15 years. Since her divorce, fans have always been curious about her love life. They want to know if she has moved on, who is she dating now. So when Nhlanhla posted a pic with Kendrick Ntsonga Boy declaring him as her man crush Monday, they reacted wanting to know if they are dating. Kendrick responded with Wena awusisi sithando sami, which can be translated as you are the one who is my love. We got few pics from Kendrick Instagram of them being cozy together, and we should say they look good. By the look of things, the two are dating and they look happy, good and happy together. And it's really good to see that Nhlanhla has found love again after her divorce. Kendrick is also a performer and a journalism graduate. It looked like their relationship started off as friends.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, please press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss a thing. Till we meet again. Bye.